Some of you guys may be having trouble getting the networking working using the bridged adapter. And so I'm going to try and show you how to get networking working using NAT. Because if you're having trouble with bridge adapter, and if you switch to NAT, you'll probably be able to get internet access and to get things going. But then the instructions I gave you previously for accessing the web server running on Ubuntu from the host, Windows 7, would not work. So we're going to just change things up and try to get it working with NAT. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shut down Ubuntu. So sudo shut down now. Okay. Alright, so I'll power off the machine. And so I'll go into settings and network, and then I'll switch to NAT. Okay, and now I'm going to power up the machine. Okay, so it looks like we're back up. So I'm going to go to the Virtualbox manual, and it has these instructions here: virtualbox.org/manual, chapter 6 under NAT forward. We're going to be using port forwarding to get this working. Now I haven't tried it yet, so this will be the first time for me. So let's hope it works. So let's copy the relevant command, and we're going to use port 8000 just to get the. We're going to run the Ubuntu server on port 8000, and so we have to know that when we're going to set up the Virtualbox manager. Actually, what I need to do is I need to shut down Ubuntu again, because I actually have to do this with the virtual machine off. You can't run VBox manage commands with the virtual machine on. So sudo shut down now. Sorry about that. Seems inefficient, but we'll pause the screencast so that it doesn't take up too much of your time. Okay, so power off the machine. Okay, so we're going to use the VBox manage command, and I just copied and pasted from the YouTube video, the first Django 01 YouTube video, which has this command here to access the Virtualbox manage command. So I'm going to paste what I copied from the manual, and I'm going to change a few things. So the VM name is just Ubuntu. That's what I called mine. Maybe call yours something else. Ubuntu. Okay. Guest SSH. We're not going to call that. We're not using SSH. And so then the guest SSH is just a descriptive name. We'll change ours to, say, guest WebS for web server. And TCP we can leave there, and we'll just change the other two guys to 8000 and 8000. So 8000, 8000. Oh, invalid command Ubuntu. What did I do wrong here? Maybe I should just take everything out of quotes. Yeah. Ubuntu. No. And let's put these guys in single quotes. I had to use a double quotes earlier because there's a space. Okay, I'll figure this out. Hang on. Okay, I'm just playing with quotes here. Still not working. Here's the problem. I forgot to copy the modify VM command. So let's put that in there. This one here. Modify VM. Alright, let's hope this one works. Okay, well, we won't know until we try. So let's power up the machine again, pause the screencast, and save some time. Let's allow access. Okay, so let's go into our shared folder. cd/media/sf star. Yep, and let's make this big. Okay, so cd nr repo 2. Okay, and we're in the repository root. Let's go into the project root. Okay, so now Django-admin.py run server 0.0.0.0/8,000, and let's specify our settings equals nr.settings local. And work on it. We have to activate our virtual environment. Common mistake for me anyways. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if it's at least running well on Ubuntu itself. 127. Okay, so we know that it's up and running on Ubuntu. Let's try with Internet Explorer on the host. Okay, Explorer's loaded up. Let's see if this works. http://. So now we're gonna. What actually happens here is that we're gonna enter the address of the local host, which is 127.0.0.1:8,000, and 8,000. That port is going to be forwarded to the guest to the Ubuntu Linux machine, because that's what we did with the vbox manage command. We set up port forwarding. So let's see whether that works. Okay, voila, bingo. We can log in, we can register, FAQ. Okay, so it looks like this works. So there you have it. If you couldn't get the bridged adapter working, you can still accomplish what you need to using NAT. Okay, thanks for joining me in this podcast. Hope that you'll join for many more, and I hope to make many more.